Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray, the High-Tech Traveler, and I'm back with another smartphone camera shootout. Today I'm going to be comparing the HTC U11 Plus against the HTC U11 Life to see what the difference is between HTC's latest two devices. As I've done in my other smartphone camera shootouts, I'm going to be recording this entire video on these two devices, so keep an eye on the bottom left-hand corner to see which device is being used for the different video clips. Recording things on the smartphones themselves rather than using my high-end camera gives you guys a better idea of what the video quality and the audio quality is going to be in day-to-day use. So, with that, let's jump into the specs. Even though the U11 Life is only a mid-range device, HTC's actually equipped it with a pretty nice 16 megapixel sensor with an f2.0 lens on the back. The front sensor is also a 16 megapixel one with an f2.0 lens, but the quality of the sensor itself isn't as good as the one on the back of the phone. The front-facing camera can only record 1080p video, but you can get 4K video out of the rear camera. But the downside is neither sensor is paired with optical image stabilization, so you will need to keep a steady hand while recording video. As for the U11 Plus, you get an 8 megapixel camera up front with an f2.0 lens, with the rear camera being a 12 megapixel sensor with an f1.7 lens. Like the U11 Life, the front-facing camera on the U11 Plus can record 1080p video and 4K video from the main camera on the back, but the rear camera does have optical image stabilization, and HTC is also using 3D audio thanks to the built-in 4 different microphones on each side of the phone. Since camera specifications really don't tell the full picture, let's jump into some side-by-side comparisons to show you how these two devices actually perform in day-to-day use. The 3D audio feature on the U11 Plus means that it records audio from 4 sides of the phone, but when you zoom in on the screen, it actually isolates the audio to only the microphone on the back of the phone so that the audio from the front and the other sides isn't as prevalent anymore. As we saw in the last smartphone camera shootout, the U11 Life has a really good 16 megapixel sensor on the back with great white balance and good color reproduction as well. The only issue that it really has is that dynamic range isn't that good, and low light performance could be a little bit better as well. But if you're choosing between these two devices and you're looking for the one with the best camera, the HTC U11 Plus is the clear winner. The 12 megapixel sensor on the back is practically impeccable with great results in daylight and near perfect results in nighttime shots as well. If you're looking for a flagship device with a really good camera, the U11 Plus is one of the best options on the market right now. But if you don't have a lot of money to spend and are looking for something in the mid-range category, I highly recommend the U11 Life. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got more HTC U11 Life videos coming up, and also a full review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.